Yo dudes, this is Logan at Riskless Review, where I test products so you don't have to. So today we're going to be looking at some BTS unboxings. Let's get to it.
Looks like it comes with a poster. Order all my stuff from the official Big Hit shop wherever possible. If it's Japanese, I usually have to go to CD Japan. This has a BTS World luggage tag, so I am guessing this is the... We got the BTS World luggage tag. All right. Yeah, so this is the BTS World version, the special version, not just the CD. This is the kind of fancy box set version. At least I think. Pretty sure that's what this is. I know it's one version. I'm pretty sure this is the fancier version. Oh, we got something in there too. I like this box. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain the texture, but I like the texture. Kind of gummy in a way. Oh, that's interesting. BTS World. It's just the CD is just right on the... Yeah, that's kind of hard to get off. I'm going to break it. CD right on the top of the box lid. Interesting way of doing it. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty. Look at this box. Man, look at that. That's so cool. Look how shiny it is. You can see me in it. Let's look at the fun stuff. Little trinkets. So we got Ratmon in pajamas. Got the live concert. This is like lenticular or whatever they call that. I don't see it doing anything, but it's definitely has that like white flash as you change it. Is this a magnet? I think it's a magnet. It's kind of cool. Oh, we got J-Hope with a dog. Golden Retriever, my favorite. My mom's got it. Oh, it's got it on both sides. Nice. I got a J-Hope and RM. My bias, J-Hope. And my wife's bias, RM. Man, you can't ask for more than that. 2 cards. That's excellent. And then we got the V luggage tag. So, triple threat. That's nothing secret under here. No. Just cardboard. Alright, so let's take a look at this fancy, shiny book. I don't even know if it'll pick that text up. It's kind of tough. The universes were born in 2012. One universe is already well known. The other one is completely different, but very familiar and also fascinating. I recorded every single moment in these twin universes to find the missing bridge. Dun dun dun. The journey to the world. The adventure made possible by you. So I played this game a little bit. My wife played it a lot more than me. But it was kind of funny. I don't play a whole lot of mobile games. But, I had to get the install just to get their numbers going, Army style. But yeah, I haven't played much of this game. Sticking that thing in his ear. I actually used to have this robot as a kid when I was young. J-Hope got the Joker card. Supreme beanie. Sugar with the bleached hair. He's looking thin there too. Got like this one little sentences every now and again. Bow tie. Glad J-Hope was fixing that bow tie. I saw it kind of crooked in one of these. Yeah. We know the world, show the world, I'll be there when the day comes. They're on the stairs. Put the short guys near the top. Smart move. Oh, yeah, here's the track list. So, if you haven't heard this I believe won a bunch of awards. These are great. You know, you start to see the themes. They're more like orchestral stuff. They're great songs, but A Brand New Day. I love A Brand New Day. J-Hope, V, and Zara Larsson. Man, it's so good. I love that song. I love all three of these songs, but Brand New Day is my favorite. Highly recommend checking that one out. All Night, rest in peace, Juice World. Juice World passed away, so it's an interesting one, you know. He passed away after this released, of course, but yeah, that's too bad. But yeah, these 4 tracks, so good. Such a great soundtrack. Like I said, won awards. Really just so good. So many good songs. I just listened to Heartbeat just the other day, actually. I like to just put it all on. Dream Glow is really good, too. Man. P-Dog, of course, all over that one. It's usually how it goes. When I listen to a song, I go, wow, that song is amazing. Without fail, P-Dog's usually all over it. Yep, P-Dog on the arrangements. Usually P-Dog's the his recording engineer, but usually he's producing it, too. A lot of my favorites, anyway. But you can tell these songs have a different vibe. But yeah, I love A Brand New Day. Gosh, I love that song. You should really check it out. If you haven't already seen the link that I keep probably blipping on the screen. P-Dog again. P-Dog always on it. Yeah. All night, 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 all night. It's a lot of all nights in that one. This is weird. These this has to fold out into something. Got the credits, URL, and then here we go. Chasing a celestial message recorded in the universe. Missing bridge. It's cool. Oh, I see. Interesting. Oh, another story. One day something magical happens. Another universe was calling me back to 2012 with one single message. I heard the echo calling my name through this whole universe. The echo took me to another universe, and my journey started. So that's cool. They have you flip through and switch it up. 2 different worlds. That's cool. That's a cool concept. He looks like Dr. Livingston, I presume. We've got Sherlock. Kind of like old 1800 books kind of guys. Oh, Jungkook. Doing some martial arts. Oh, there's J-Hope with the golden retriever. Jimin. Alright, Jin. V. Sugar. RM. Jungkook. J-Hope again, yeah. Is he a pastry chef? Or a baker? Something like that. Jin. V. Sugar. Looking in his ear. J-Hope listened to his heart. Listen to his own heart. That face J-Hope makes is always so funny to me. It's like a cartoon character. Oh yeah, they are making pastries. There they are. Nice. Well, this is cool. I like that it works both ways. Another story, BTS story. That's cool. Great cards, great songs, great everything. This was fun. I like this one. So if you like what you saw, give me a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what's your favorite part of this unboxing, and what's your favorite track on BTS World. I really like A Brand New Day. Such a cool vibe. Highly recommend. Oh, I almost forgot. We got to check out the poster. Unwieldy. We got R. I'll do it sideways so it can actually fit. RM and Jin. Jimin. V. Jungkook. Suga. J-Hope. Got the names at the bottom. This thing's big. It's kind of hard to get a good view. There you go. Very cool. Alright, gang. Alright, that was it for this one. Hope you enjoyed. Talk to you soon.